Benelli is aiming to push the boundaries once again after the success of the TRK 702. Introducing the TRK 902 Xplorer, which made its first appearance at EICMA, Benelli's latest concept motorcycle stands out with a totally new design approach. The front sports a compact, beak-like nose, illuminated by LED headlights and a distinctive daytime running light. Its steel trellis frame, paired with a matte jungle fog finish, adds a rugged style. Built for long journeys, it includes a large 22-liter fuel tank and a smartly placed toolbox, powered by a 904 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder engine delivering 100 horsepower and 90 newton meters of torque. This machine promises serious adventure.
That is more than a bike. It's something like a blend between past, present and future, innovation, passion, dedication. I think it's not so simple to explain a bike with words because it's more than words.
Yes, absolutely. This is indeed our future and our present, because a TRK 902 Xplorer represents the dedication of all the men and women in Pesaro, in the Benelli headquarters. Our R&D department, which conceived the bike and have brought on the table new, exciting features from their great experience. Our centro stile that crafted this beautiful proportion and led towards the shapes and the color you see on the stage. Our marketing and sales team, which listened to the market's request and channeled them into this product concept. But, most important, TRK 902 Xplorer represents each individual that, with passion and dedication, bring Benelli to where is it now. Their contribution is essential, and I want to express my sincere thanks to all of them. Getting more deep into bikes detail, let's focus on the name. Why did we choose the name Xplorer? Firstly, for its technical improved features like suspension and other off-road oriented components. All these features were developed to create the ultimate riding experience with a true adventure machine. Even the color emphasizes its adventurous spirit. Xplorer, because we are exploring new horizons, elevating the TRK essence to another level. This is represented by the iconic TRK design language, here boosted into a more compact front, a sleeker rear, and unique body parts that both cover and emphasize the tubular trellis frame. The art is the 904cc twin-cylinder Euro 5 Plus engine that my colleague Marco will explain in the detail. All these elements shape a motorcycle that explore what this bike will be in the near future. TRK 902, exploring new horizons. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Roberto. Marco, we'll now continue to explore this bike with you.
Okay, this is the TRK 902 Xplorer, that is an extreme version of the TRK 902. And the engine derives from the engine of Leoncino 800, but we completely redesigned the thermic area. So we changed the pistons, we changed the crankshaft, camshaft, combustion chamber. At the end, we obtained a motorcycle that has 902 cc of displacement, and we have a power of 100 HP and a torque of 90 Newton meter. On the front, we have a front fork with 200 millimeter of stroke, and on the rear, we have a single shock absorber fully adjustable that gives to the wheel again 200 millimeter of strokes. So we also have two beautiful fog lights that give safeness during the night and give visibility during the day, and they are very beautiful, of course.